Hello, everybody. This is Mike coming to you again for another PM tip of the week. My PM tip of the week today is using instant message reminders. Now, this will really help you guys just kind of get those reminders down quickly and allow you to stay organized as you're managing your projects. And you guys are probably asking, why are you saying that this is something good to use? Well, most communication in companies nowadays are happening when it comes to communication happens through some sort of instant communication app, such as Slack, Microsoft Teams, etc. Another reason, it's easy. Since you're already using the app all day to communicate with team members for your project, this is some place where you can easily jot something down and get reminded of it so you don't lose it. It's fast. Most of these reminder apps only take a few steps to actually save the reminder. And once you actually get used to it, it's actually quite intuitive and quite quick to do. It's portable. Most of these instant message apps actually come with some sort of mobile component on your phone. So it allows you to be able to just be at a meeting and go onto your phone and make a quick little message to remind you of something to do after the meeting. And it's recordable. So most of these apps will allow you to do a list feature and allow you to see what reminders are coming up and what reminders have you done in the past. So you have a history of what items you've actually done for the project. So for Slack, Slack is a really easy one if your company's already using Slack because this is already integrated into the system. It's basically a simple command that you would write into any of the message chats. Once you write this in and you hit enter, it's not going to be seen by somebody else who you've been chatting with. It's only going to be shown to you, and they have a message saying that this is only being able to be seen by you. But to do this, you would just basically hit the backslash, start typing in remind, and then you want to use the @ symbol to put in your name so it knows to remind you, and then you write the message of what the reminder is going to be, and then you put by either a time or a date, and then hit the enter key. Once you hit the enter key, you're going to go ahead and see a Slackbot message window that pops up, and it'll let you know exactly when it's supposed to remind you. Another instant message communication that a lot of companies are using is Microsoft Teams. Unfortunately, this doesn't come with an app that's integrated already, but it does come and you can actually download a Remind app from the Microsoft App Store. This will allow you to actually create those reminders. Once you follow the download steps and everything, once it's installed, it will show up on your side menu. You will want to remember to right click on it and click the pin button so it just stays there. But basically it's the same thing like the Slack message. Once it's there, you can basically have a simple conversation with the Slack bot or with the Remind bot to basically let me know, please remind me to call Rita about the status of the SOW. And I use that as an example here on this slide. Once you hit the enter key, it's basically the same functionality as the Slack bot. It'll show you a quick reminder window of what exactly it's going to remind you of. If you need to change it in some way, you can go ahead and click help or click delete and try again. But as long as you keep it very simple and quick and straight to the point, I found that this bot actually does really well to try to remind you. And it'll remind you, and if you have notifications pushed out to your cell phone, it'll also remind you that way. Some of the additional functions that this system has, that these two things that I've highlighted in this video has, is you can set reminders for other team members. You can also set reminders for a particular channel or off of a particular line of information that you're seeing on the channel. You can also set reoccurring reminders. So it'll reoccur every week or every month, depending on what you want to know. So if you need to be able to do a budget report by the end of the week, you can set a reminder and it'll push it out to you, letting you know, hey, you got that budget to produce by the end of the week. So I hope you guys have found this helpful and interesting. Please click like and subscribe and write some comments down below if you have any questions. I feel free to ask me anything and just let me know that I'm doing a good job. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.